Was good, YouTube. It's been a little minute, but we didn't forget because we back. We going strong, and y'all,
it's Christmas, sort of.
It's sort of.
It's Christmas tonight. Wait, let me turn on the Christmas lights.
Y'all, she wants to show off her little Christmas lights, y'all. She has them like all around the room. Can you see?
No.
Wait, you're forgetting the set. You're forgetting the set.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Ooh, who is that? Who is that fine young man in the camera? Y'all, look. Whatever you want to call it. But you can see she has mine look so wrapped up, so pretty. And then there's me.
You did so good.
Boom. Dang. Are you excited?
So excited.
Are you
excited? And we got all of our stuff from Target.
Oh, yeah, and all our stuff from Target.
That's been sitting waiting.
Yeah, waiting. They've seen all this already, though.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Should I open? Should you open yours first? Should I open mine first? Which one you want to do?
You should open yours first.
Okay.
I'm gonna record this.
I guess. Which one you want me to go with first?
Open this first.
Okay. I hope this Christmas.
Still read it out loud.
I hope this Christmas is even.
Still read this out loud.
No.
Oh, it's not bad. I guess you could, but.
Oh, where'd you get this picture from? Oh, look.
You can't see. It's too dark.
Okay. This picture of us and then this on the back at the beach.
Oh, yeah.
Is that in the box?
No.
Oh, there's more in here?
There's wrapping paper.
Oh, Lord. Fuzzy socks.
Duh, everyone needs some fuzzy socks.
Bro, this is my first pair of fuzzy socks.
Really? Oh, don't worry. You'll get more.
Don't worry, I'm going to wear them tonight.
Good.
Okay, bet. Which one should I open next?
It's up to you.
Let's open it. Why is this one a little heavy, bro? Oh my god. This is the kind I was talking about when we were in.
Yeah.
Bro, when I go home, I'm like this. It's so good. You know what? I almost went back and got this sent from my car too. Wait, is something else in here? Oh my god. Hey, bro, I need one of these so bad. Like, I'm so for real.
It's good.
Y'all, she pays attention. She got the right one. I guess let's open this one. I'm gonna save the small one for last.
Some pants.
Bro, I need pants.
I know you did, so I got you pants.
Y'all, I probably only have like 7 pair of pants. Okay, man, let's open this. It's wrapped so pretty. I don't want to mess it up.
It's okay.
Okay.
You're supposed to open it.
Okay. Bro. You know, I was talking about, or you listened to me when I was in bed, so I was like, I've been wanting one of these wallets.
Oh, I had already gotten it for you, and then you were talking about it, so I told you not to get it.
Oh. Alright, your turn.
My turn.
Your turn.
Your
turn.
Which one should I open first?
Whatever you want to do.
Because it's on top.
Oh.
Okay. These are nice.
Do you like them?
I do like them.
I got them. I was like, Alabama colors.
They're perfect, actually. No, sorry, I love them, actually. Thank you.
Tear it open.
I guess it's just recording.
Just rip it open. You gotta hold it up and look at it though. Turn it around, turn it around.
Oh my god, I love it. And it's pink. My favorite color. Oh my god. Thank you.
Wait, let me make sure I got my charger. Do you like it?
I love it.
Do you like your gifts?
I do.
I say,
Thank you.
I got one more. I got one more. I say the best for last. The best for last. The best for last. The best for last.
Uh-oh. Bruh, you did it. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, stop. You listen.
I bought a charm too. Look, you gotta read the charm. Read it out loud.
Read it out loud. Okay. Aww. I love you more than anything. Oh, stop.
I think that was the best for last.
I agree. This is perfect. I love it. Can you help me put it on?
It's like, you might have to take it back. I don't think I got the right size, so.
I think it's perfect.
I guessed. But you like it though?
I love it. I love it.
Well,
Thank you.
that was our haul.
Christmas
Haul, y'all. Y'all make sure to tune in for more, because we going up all year long. So you like that bracelet or what?
I love it.